I've created this handpan song intuitively. Almost all the music I make with my handpan is dedicated to Nealenia, thought, and the ancient religion of light. You can find more information about this subject on my website. In this video you will get an explanation on how to play this song with your handpan. An overview with the notes and text can be downloaded from the music section of my website. If you want to play this song more often and know the melody line, it will become easier to practice. The lyrics will help you to remember the melody. I'm not a singer, so I don't sing, but I put the lyrics with it for those who want to sing. As you play this song more often, you will get a better feel for the melody and you will notice that it is very relaxing. You can vary with rhythms. I play it quite slowly to make it easier for you to follow. Once you know the song and can play it with the downloaded sheet music from the website, the transitions between the different parts will become much smoother. And of course you can pause this video if you want to practice the separate parts. This song is free to use for non-commercial use, but I ask you to mention or add the following copyright notice in a visible way when you want to share this song. Let's get started. You will see the notes on your screen so you can just play along.